Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this amazing algebra problem that many people fail to solve. So what is the problem? X times x minus x equal x times x minus x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So this x times x, we can write x cube minus this x equal, and x times x is x square minus x. Now if I'll take x common, so what is become? X square minus 1. Similarly, x common from here also. So x minus 1. Now I'm going to divide both sides by x. So this will cancel out. So here x square minus 1 equal x minus 1. So now I'm going to use the identity, that is a square minus b square, which is a plus b times a minus b. So we can write this one as 1 square. So here if I'll apply the identity, so it becomes x plus 1 times x minus 1 equal x minus 1. Now, if I'll divide both sides by x minus 1, so this will cancel out. So it's x plus 1 equal 1 and x equal 1 minus 1, that is 0. So what is the value of x? 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. And if you want to learn more video like this, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.